HMS Northumberland was a 70-gun third-rate ship of the line of the Royal Navy, launched at Bristol in 1679. Service. She fought in the War of the Grand Alliance. In 1702, she was rebuilt at Chatham Dockyard, though she was lost with all hands on the Goodwin Sands in the Great Storm of the following year. Captain Greenway was among the 220 men who drowned. Wreck. The remains of the Northumberland lie south of three wrecks of other ships lost in the same storm: the Stirling Castle, Restoration and Mary. The Northumberland and Mary were found by recreational divers in 1980. The site was designated under the Protection of Wrecks Act 1973 the following year. The current designation is under Statutory Instrument 2004-2395 of a 300 meters radius around 51 degrees 15.4802 N01 degree 30.0161 E. The Archaeological Diving Unit conducted a number of dives on the site over the next 3 decades, and since 1999 technology has been applied in the form of magnetometer and side-scan sonar surveys. The wreck was originally identified by the discovery of a Bellon stock with the naval broad arrow and date. Subsequently, the Adu have found guns, 2 copper cauldrons and an anchor. The site consists of a large mound approximately 40 meters long by 20 meters wide, lying in W. Chenier Fork Spit on the western edge of the Goodwin Sands. Parts are 3 meters above the surrounding seabed, but much of the structure is thought to be buried below the sand. A dense turf of juvenile mussels covers most features, making it hard to identify them. There is a coherent piece of ship's structure just south of the center of the designated area, with large timbers and some exposed planking, possibly corresponding to the region between the first and second futtocks of the vessel.